If you own an automotive business, then you need more than just a website. Did you know that over 90% of car buyers research online before making a purchase? That's why having an effective digital strategy is crucial. From SEO to engaging content and social media presence, each element plays a role in attracting customers and driving sales. Let's break it down. SEO. Ensure your website appears at the top of search engine results, increasing visibility and credibility. Engaging content. Create informative and entertaining content that resonates with your target audience, building trust and loyalty. Social media presence. Leverage platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to connect with customers, share updates, and promote offers. But having a website alone is not enough. Many automotive businesses face challenges like low website traffic and engagement, poor online reputation, ineffective digital marketing strategies. That's where MarketinGear comes in. Our team of experts will help you develop a comprehensive digital strategy that drives results. Ready to elevate your automotive business? Contact MarketinGear today and discover how our digital solutions can help you attract, engage, and retain customers.